right.
Hey, big kids.
Hey, big kids. Welcome back to virtual school. We missed you. Did you have a fun week off last week, Gabe? Did you do anything fun?
No.
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 Yeah? What'd you do?
No.
So we didn't go anywhere, obviously. He did go spend some time with his Gammy and Gaggy, didn't you? You did. That was fun, wasn't it?
Huh.
You want to tell the big kids anything today?
Mm-mm.
No? Tell the big kids what you're watching right now.
Gorillas.
Gorillas. He's watching Tarzan. He loves the gorillas. What did the gorillas do? What did gorillas do? There you go. All right. You going to go watch gorillas and eat your uh-oh pie?
Okay.
Just a little bit of it. Yep. He loves oatmeal pies. All right. Go watch gorillas. Mommy's going to talk to the big kids. Say bye, big kids. Take your juice. Okay. So, hope you had a great break. And I miss your faces because, normally I'd be like, hey, how's your break? And I'd give everybody a hug after a week off and it would be wonderful. And I can't. So, anyways, tomorrow on Zoom, we have a math and science Zoom meeting tomorrow. So don't forget to jump on at 10:30 and we'll send out the information through Canvas and Remind and everything else. So today we're going to talk about circles. You're going to review today and tomorrow on circles, and Wednesday, Thursday, you will review scale drawings. Sorry, I forgot for a second. So today for circles, let's just recap what we know about circles. So obviously a circle is round, it's very symmetrical, that kind of thing. In your notes that I posted on Canvas, you have all this information, but let's just talk about it real quick. So a circle, where is the diameter of a circle? Think about a pizza. So for a pizza, if I say I have a 10-inch pizza, well, what does that mean? That means the pizza is 10 inches all the way across. So diameter is all the way across, right? It's kind of far away. Let me see if I can get it where you can see it. Maybe a little closer. All right, and then the radius of a circle is just from the center to the edge, right? And then we have two ways that we measure circles. So we talk about circumference, which remember is very similar to perimeter. And we have area, which is just like area of a square, rectangle, whatever. So circumference, remember you're looking at words like around or rotation. Area, you're talking about filling it in, covering it, like how much fabric I would need for whatever. So circumference, remember, is pi times the diameter. Area is pi times the radius squared. And remember what pi equals, anybody? Hopefully you do. Pi is equal to 3.14 something, 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 but most of the time we just use that 3.14. And remember on your handy dandy calculator, you press second. Let me turn it on. You press second and then the pi symbol, which is right above the up arrow, okay? On your Desmos calculator, yours probably just a pi, so you can do it there. So very, very easy. Just to recap this, let's find the circumference of this circle. So this 5 meters, it goes from the center to the edge, so that's called the radius. So this is the radius, so R equals 5. But circumference, remember, is pi times the diameter, right? So I need to do this times 2 to get the diameter, okay? So I get pi times 10, and it's 31.4 something something. I normally would say round to 1 or 2 decimal places unless you're told differently. And then for area, that's pi times the radius squared. Hey, man. So for area, we already have our radius of 5. So pi times 5 squared. Remember to square it, you're multiplying by itself. So pi times, come on, bud, 25. Okay, so if I do pi times 25, I get 78.54 in meters squared. Okay, so this one is 31.4 meters. Circumference is measured just in singular units. Area is measured in square units. Okay, I've got 2 short examples for you, and then you can go ahead and do your practice, and I'll tell you about that in a minute. So if I can get my little board for you. Okay, so here's a question for you. A large 14-inch pizza feeds 6 people. How many square inches of pizza are in a large? So first thing we need to do, what is this even asking for? It says how many, what square inches? Well, remember, area is in square whatever. So we know that we are finding area. Okay? Then we have to figure out what we know. All right? Well, a large 14-inch pizza. Well, we talked about this whenever I gave you the diameter and radius. No.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, 9.5.
Okay, Mommy's talking to the big kids. We'll talk about it in a minute. So a 14-inch pizza, remember we measure all the way across. So that pizza, when we look at it, sorry for my terrible drawing, 14 inches, woo, sorry buddy, is all the way across. So that's diameter. So we know the diameter equals 14. I apologize for my wild child. So we know diameter is 14. Well, what's the formula for area? Can you sit still, please?
Okay.
Sit still. Thank you. Okay, so area is equal to pi r squared. So we need the radius. If diameter is all the way across and it's 14, what is it from halfway to the edge? Well, what's 14 divided by 2? Radius is equal to 7. So you do pi times 7 squared. So you do pi times 49, and you get, just wrote it down, 153. Stop, you're going to fall. You get 153.94 inches squared. Okay? Does that make sense? So you have to figure out what the question's asking. Then you have to figure out what you know and what that value is. Is it radius? Is it diameter? Okay? So what I want you guys to do, I want you guys, for Monday and Tuesday, you have a choice. You're going to either do, I'm talking to the big kids. You're either going to do just a worksheet activity, because I know some of you prefer to do those, or I have a Desmos escape room activity that you can work on. And I don't care about you guys doing, like, it would be awesome. I would love it if you guys get the escape room, but I want you to just do the practice at least. So if you choose to do the Desmos activity, you can do the practice and just skip the clue question or the clues and doing the end of it. I'll still see that you did the questions and that you showed your work. Okay. So that's what I'm looking for. So anyway, sorry I spent 10 minutes on this, but I thought it was important for us to review circles. So Gabe, what are you going to do today? Huh? You going to play? No. He just wants to eat an entire oatmeal pie as a snack, but he's not going to do that. So anyway, we love you, big kids. Say love you, big kids. Oh, look, a foot. Say love you, big kids. Tell the big kids what you're wearing.
Diamonds.
No. Say we're starting big boy underwear. So y'all pray for me because I'm gonna have pee-pees and poopies all over my house. We're trying this whole potty training thing. So I'll let you know how it goes. But I love you. I hope you have a great day. And don't forget, we're gonna jump on Zoom tomorrow at 10:30. Bye guys.
Yes. There you go, guys.